Stone with the Vegas goal tonight on a first period power play. Marchessault, now Stone. Back up the boards. Eichel stays on his feet. Eichel, back across, score! Marchessault! The Golden Knights have their first lead of Game 3. Jonathan Marchessault with his 11th goal in the last 10 games.
And how many times have we said that in these playoffs? There's the pass, there's a beautiful shot from the hottest sniper in the league right now, and Jonathan Marchessault. He scores again.
How about Stone not trying to play that puck? Is Stone or Eichel looks for Marchessault over on the other side.